And never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me.
Completely. So I'm just taking my time racking it through because there's nothing else I can do. I can't turn back. Right? I can't turn back because I reach I'm almost through this road, so I'll just take my time and finish it. I already started, but I know it's not gonna happen again because I know how the road is now, so I'm definitely not gonna chance it back around here. It looks like it's gonna rain, or it looks like it's already raining in Montego Bay, and that's where I'm heading to. I'm gonna see if I can get some stuff to bring home, to bring with me, like seasoning wise, and like I bring home a lot of different stuff when I'm going back, like seasoning, Lasco, bread, pineapple, anything I can find that can fit in my suitcase without it posing a problem. I'm gonna see if I can get a sweet potato cake for pudding, or they call it potato pudding for Shan, because she love it. And I make waterman. I make arrangement with the lady to make one for me, and she said okay, but I'm gonna call her later and find out if she finished or if she get the stuff for it, because she said she was gonna get the stuff to make it. So I'm gonna call and check up on that later, because I only have today and tomorrow here, and it's already after 12, so I only have one day, and it's tomorrow, and then I'm back in Canada. But I don't even get to go nowhere. Like, I haven't been to the river, I haven't been to the beach, I haven't been nowhere. I went to one dance and it was close by. Yo! I go down in the town because I run out of funds by the road, so I'm gonna move a bit faster. But I don't know. Holy man! I'm grateful for what I get. What I have accomplished so far. I get tongue-tied. So I'm pleased with what I have accomplished, and if I didn't have the help from right through, since I've been here, I would get a lot more done. But you can see in the videos that some of the days, like, I get stood up for almost a week. I almost get stood up for a week, so I didn't get much done. But after the other week now, it picked up a bit, because two of the guys give me like 5 days. One give me 3 and one give me 5, I think. get that done before I leave. Right? I wanted to get that done before I leave, which I did. And that's a good thing, because I take the water off the downstairs because it was leaking through the foundation, like through the blocks going downstairs, because the water have nowhere else to go because it was wide open. But I have to get something to build over the staircase to block out the rest of water that's gonna run down through there. So I'm gonna have to get that done as well. Yeah, so I have a lot of plans. I have like 9 bags of cement leave, so I want the mason like to use it up my rough cast outside of the wall, because I'm going to put in windows and I don't want to get them flash up when I put them in, because it's not rough cast. So I'm going to get that rough cast before I think about putting windows. Always rough cast and stuff. If you can't even render, make sure you get the place rough cast if you can before you put the windows in, because trust me, you don't want to see them when they're finished with them. Like, it's a mess. You can wash it off as soon as they're done, but not everybody gonna do that. And the thing about it, when that cement dry on the material, you can't get it off. You're gonna scrape it. You gotta scrape it off with like razor blade, and then it's gonna get scratched all over. And trust me, you don't want that. It's gonna let the window look awful. So I hope that there's no rain in Montego Bay, but I doubt that, because I can see like down there is dark. Down there is really dark. If it don't start yet, it's gonna start soon. So that's gonna be a problem moving around for me. Alright. As I said, I'm gonna go to active home or something like that. Shannon tell me to go to find out some prices of some stuff, see if I can figure out like if it's cheaper like to get stuff overseas or cheaper to buy it here. And if it's cheaper here, we want to like plan for it, save for it, and budget ourselves to know that at the end of the day, when we're ready, we know that it's available there and we can get it. Because sometimes it's really easier to get some stuff here than to get it overseas, right? Because getting overseas is one, but getting it in Jamaica is another problem with custom and all these things, right? Because I ship a crate down, and the crate, just the custom, like the broker charged me 45,500 just for the broker alone, and I haven't been to the wharf as yet, right? So that's what's going on. They charge an arm and a leg when stuff comes to Jamaica. It's worse when it's brand new. Like, when it's brand new, you don't stand a chance. You have to have like links in certain places to get stuff at a decent rate. If you don't have links, it won't work for you, because you can't just go to the wharf and just say, okay, you're gonna clear some stuff. They're gonna charge you. And first of all, they want to know how much you pay for the stuff that you bring down, and then they're gonna price it based on how much you pay for it. Right? They even will look up the price on the internet just to find out how much it really costs, and then now they can charge you based upon what they find out. But sometimes you get some stuff on sale, which you get it cheap, right? So it's not like you get it at the original price at the store. And when you come down there, they look it up for the original price at store, and then they charge you based upon that. Right? So I'm not, what do I say now? I'm not disappointed in bringing down my stuff, my tools, because I really need it and they come in pretty handy. Right? So I'm at Cambridge now, and I can see like rain is falling already. Like rain is falling on the windshield. So I know there's gonna be raining in Montego Bay. Cross the road now long socks like say, you know, I'm lost. Holy, see how narrow the road is? Oh man, it's raining. I know there's gonna be rain. I can tell there was rain down here just from the look of it. I know there was rain, so it's not serious as yet. It's just started, or I'm just driving down in it. So yeah, as I said, I have some run around to do, and it sucks if I have to run out in and out in the rain. That wouldn't be nice. But in Montego Bay, some places that flood out pretty easily, and there's water on the road, and my shoes can't take no sort of flooding. Like garbage guys, picking up garbage. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head and see. Come on, man. See how it looks. I can see through the. So I reach Anchovy, and I can see like there's no rain in Anchovy, and it was pouring earlier. This guy wanna come around in the corner. Look at this guy, eh? Behind me. Holy. Can't wait. So there's a truck here bringing blocks. And I'm gonna have to wait until I get a clear passage to pass. And I don't want to pass him around a corner or if anything is coming. So I want to make sure that I'm good to go. Where is it? anybody ever go over there and live to talk about it. I think the last person went over, I think it was a cop, was a police officer, a lady. I think she was the last person that go over there, and she died. And that was like recently, not too long ago. Not too long ago. But I'm glad there's no rain down here, so I can hurry up and do what I'm doing before it starts. So yeah, I'm hungry, I'm starving. I'm gonna see if I can, if I don't go to Old Joe, maybe I can grab 2 patty. Yeah. So every time I've been down here, I've been to Montego Bay like maybe 3 times now, and each time I came here I get patty. Right? First time I get patty, it wasn't that great. It was like gross. It was soft, no crust. Like it wasn't crispy. So I guess it wasn't fresh. But the second time I went, it was perfect. It was hot, crispy, right? And I like cheese patty. Cheese patty, I eat chicken patty. Oh, this guy blinking. So yeah. I'm almost at 5 Mile Corner. I don't know why. Oh, cops. Woo. They have roadblock down here. Look at that. Cops. No wonder that guy was flashing me. There's cops down here. I'm in roadblock, but it's on the opposite side, so that's for who's coming up and going down. You have to be like real salt for them to catch you going down on the opposite side. Unless they're looking out for you. I wanted to go to the beach, but it didn't work out. I wanted to use my drone. It didn't work out. I bring it up a few times, but for some reason I checked the memory chip that was in it, and it's blank. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I should have like two shots, but for some reason I don't know if I'm using the wrong memory card or what, but I'm not getting anything off it when I put it in the GoPro. I don't see a video, so I don't know if it's stored somewhere else. It's showing me empty. So I don't know what's going on there. So I'm at Langyao Foot. I don't know where this guy is for. I'm from way from Cambridge. If you look over there, you can see the beach, like the sea. A commercial lot for sale, so anybody who needs a lot, they can call this number. Commercial lot for sale, so they can put up a business. Told me like to get some footage for her. I keep on turning on the wiper for indicator. I don't know why I've been doing that, and I've been here a while now. drive this fast in Canada. It's straight prison. I came here and I can't even get a famous bowl from KFC because I went in there one time and they didn't have it. Right? And every time I pass here, the line is so long and I don't have that patience. The line is ridiculous. So I'm gonna go to Progressive to grab some stuff. If it's not Progressive, it's high-low. So I think I'm gonna go to Progressive. It's much closer. High-low is on the other side. So if I can show you guys what I'm picking up, I will show you what I'm picking up if I can. If I can do that part. First time I drive in this parking lot, I've been driving on the wrong side. Wrong side of the road. Hope I can find a park. No park, no park, no park. Nobody's leaving. Everybody is coming. No parking. So I'm here now to get some food. I'm gonna see what they have. They have minced meat, veg, rice and peas. Fried chicken. Hello, morning. Where the stones are, rice and peas. Get a piece of cheesecake. Cheesesteak. So I'm gonna get a slice of cheesecake. I'm gonna send Shan the picture. Or when she see the video, I'm not gonna like it. I'm in Old Joe, trying to get some food. I'm feeling pretty hungry, so I'm gonna order and come back. Can I have a petty chunks? Drink? What kind of things have in it?
The fruit, tropical redeem, cream, ginger beer, champagne, pineapple.
Pineapple soda?
Yes.
I get a pineapple. And a slice of cheesecake.
Chunks and a pineapple.
strawberry down here.
13
How much for the bami?
200 for 2 pieces.
2 piece. Thank you. So this is what I get. Rice and peas, veggie chunks with pasta. So I'm gonna eat for me and Shanika. I get cheesecake for her, so I'm gonna eat for me and her too. She craved cheesecake, like I don't know what she like more than cheesecake. Cheesecake is her favorite. Yeah, well, I'm not eating her favorite food, but her favorite food is like jerk chicken, fried chicken. Nothing to do with chicken, but she loves fried chicken. Holy, rain is coming down now. Look at that. And I haven't been to the store yet, but I'm hungry, so I'm here digging in. Empty bag can't stand up. So right now me an empty bag. So I'll show you guys when I reach in the store. Few minutes later, see damage has been done. So move on to the cheesecake, you know. The good old cheesecake. Give me a minute. I just want to take two bites still. I'm not eat it because my belly kind of full. So I save it when we reach up. To eat off all of it. Nice strawberry cheesecake, the original. Yeah, this tastes good. Promise you 2 bites me take, but go one more. Tastes good. Tastes real good. Leave that to me later. When hungry start bite me, may have to eat. Yeah, but I'm going to the store and I'll go see kind of damage. See what kind of damage me can done. So oh, got too much acid, man. So head over here now. See what can go on. I think it's a rain come down there, really. So rain and now done. not finishing, man. Oh yeah, I'm full. I'm full. Well, for me, I'll wake up. Nobody now come out. What go on here? You come out, no man now come go on home. You know, no yard. My word. So much people. So me don't get wet up now. Running a store. Huh? What a go on here? What a go on? Alright, come on. You see what? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Back in, back in. Get the rain, man. Shoot. I'm reaching already. Don't know. But oh, what up? What up? Running to the store. Run back out. So security. Then bye. Every time I come up for a second, I weigh myself. Good afternoon.
Anyways, my mom.
It's not working? Whoa. One something. Let's go. Seasoning. Okay. Let's go. Whoa. So one let's go is for 554. So 1, 3, 4. Take 4, let's go. See you now. Okay, take one strawberry. Okay. I want peanut. So I think we can take one strawberry. Oh shit, the strawberry actually cheaper than the vanilla. Not much, but I wanna mix this like a drink and see how it tastes. I'll take the peanut punch. Oh, almond. I'll try that one. So I don't think I'm gonna bring no Milo here. But it's just hard. It's just hard to get like the big Lasco and the big seasoning. I have a list that can send me big Maggie seasoning them? Oh, a bigger one then.
By customer service.
Huh?
Customer service.
Oh, alright. Why would they have this seasoning at customer service? So I'm gonna check my list and see what requested. So she won. Toothbrush. Right? I see no toothbrushes in here. Strawberry. Then you have the last for cornmeal. Vegetable. I'm looking for cornmeal. I hope they have it in here. Cheese and everything. Okay, they have it. Golden. So I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4. What do you think? Coming out. Let me edit at the train. Screenshot.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my